Good. All right, driving school on St. John's Place, Brooklyn, New York. This is Benny with Pierre Driving School. It's one of the area here we cover here in Brooklyn, New York. So if you living in this area, you want Pierre Driving School to help you, check out pierrepauldraiving.com. We can definitely help you. We're gonna cover few left and right here, okay? As always, whenever you drive, whatever you do contrary to going straight, you must always signal all of your attention. You see, going over here, get back to my lane, signal everything that you do. All right, we're on St. John's Place, Brooklyn, New York. Is one of the area we cover here as well at Pierre Driving School. Whenever you drive, make sure you forward planning all of your moves, okay? Because reason why the examiner, however, will not give you instruction. They will give you direction to tell you which way they want you to go, but they're not going to tell you how to go there. All right, so as you relate to driving, whatever you do contrary to going straight, you must always signal all of your attention. All right, and do not give anybody credit. Never think that people, they should know for them what they're supposed to do. Okay, you see this guy here, keeping it going. Check both direction. I see a human here already crossing. I'm paying attention to that. All right, pay attention to everything that you do as you drive. And I already see my light ahead coming up red, covering my brake already. So when I come up there, I come to a nice and smooth stop. It ain't no rush. All right, it ain't no rush. When I stop, I want to see, whenever I start losing the light right here, then you come to a complete stop. A lot of activities going on ahead. I'm playing on all my moves. I see double park car on the right, double park car on the left, and the city line are pushing, okay? Before you fully accelerate, always check both corners. Make sure no pedestrian, no skateboarder, no bike closing on until you try to cut you off, all right? Always expected, unexpected, all right? And by the way, if anything you want me to cover in particular, put in the comment below. As most of our video, that's where they coming from the thing that you guys put in the comment below, because we cover as many videos as possible as related to driving we can. But if you have anything in particular you want us to do, let us know. And my question to you, as I've always asked, if you've done your road test already, where did you do your road test, and how many times, how long it take you to get it? I did mine 3 times. You see humans crossing? Paying attention here, okay? Keeping it going here. A lot of activities here, okay? Double back on my right side, I signal left, and the same time I see the human come. You got this guy here coming up, okay? Your right shoulder, right, bring it over, I'm falling back here. Now what's coming up at the blind spot here, okay? This is what we're talking about, guys. Signaling all of your attention. Always be ready for unexpected. Bring it back in, mirror right, shoulder right, and I'm gonna roll right up here. Stop over here normally. Otherwise, should I be able to continue to roll? Okay, I can roll up a little bit here. Yeah, because no activity is coming, I didn't put no sign. So I'm making a left turn here. Okay, the guy behind me should stop. Good. We are on St. John's Place, Brooklyn, New York. St. John's Place, yes, let me see. Yeah, St. John's Place, Brooklyn, New York, one of the area that we cover here at Pierre Driving School. In fact, let me see. Oh, we gravity cut. Okay. Just keeping it straight from here more. Construction on my right side, fully aware of what's going on in my surrounding. Before fully accelerate, make sure that you cover, make sure that both sides are clean. Nobody is coming in to you on any of your blind spots, all right? And both ends out all the time, and signal everything that we're doing contrary from going straight. It is just that simple. But it is more likely people not to do it because it's too simple. But guess what? The result of that, it's a road test take over, do over. Okay, paying attention here. Good. See how much I'm scanning, guys? Always scanning before you fully engage. Signal that. Cleared everybody. Then coming back after you pass it, see it, then check the shoulder, bringing it back in. The light is in my favor. Change on place, Brooklyn, New York, Pierre Driving School, one of the areas that we cover here. If you're in New York City in the metropolitan area, you want us to cover anything for you in particular, let us know. If you want our help, to have our team instructor help you get prepared for your driving and anything driving related, check our website, pierredraiving.com. Yep, until then, keep watching this year. This channel is all about driving, anything driving. If you have anything in particular you want us to cover, put in the comment below. Our goal here is to make sure that we deliver as much content as we can deliver as it relates to driving, because we understand that helping a person to get a license here in the US is one of the biggest gifts you can give them one way or another. The license will enhance their life. At the light coming up here, we're making a left turn. No traffic ahead coming, new or left. See this guy here. So I pulled in, shoulder left, and fall to the closest left lane. Back lane is shared. What do we do next? To the right lane. Mirror right, shoulder right. We go over to the right because student must always be on the right side of the road, and you have to pull over all by yourself. All right? Continue to go from here. Traffic is starting ahead. You pay attention with your surrounding, okay? Okay, the light is in my favor. Continue to go here. Traffic is built up ahead. Signal to the left, mirror left, shoulder left, bring it over. Then with the same time coming back after passing it. Okay, make sure it's still stabilized. Okay, coming back over into the right lane. All these are road test techniques, but in real life, you can drive wherever you like as long as you feel it's safe, all right? But for the road test, you always have to be on the right side of the road. That's where they want you and I to always be, so that's where we're gonna always be until we pass the road test. All right, this lesson here is on St. John's Place, Brooklyn, New York, which one of the area that we cover here at Pierre Driving School. Okay, go around here, mirror left, shoulder left, bring it back over. Okay, we're gonna come back nice the same way. Never signal your intention while you're crossing an intersection. People are gonna think that you're going over. All right, that's why I'm keeping it here. Good. As you guys can see, I backed up is the traffic on the right side anyway. Waiting for your clearance, it ain't no rush. It ain't no rush. Traffic is moving slow, we're moving accordingly. See, the right side is all backed up, and we keep on the left side. There's no rush. We're gonna run the light. Okay, there you go. Person was ready to run the light, but this guy didn't take the light. Good. All right, folks, always forward planning all your moves, all right? This lesson was on St. John Place, Brooklyn, New York, one of the areas that we cover here in New York City. If you do need help, anything you want to cover for in particular, put in the comment below. Until then, folks, keep practicing. Just been with Pierre Driving School. Take care now, folks.